I like the flexibility of teaching online, to set a schedule for myself and having it organized in the beginning. If you work really hard at the front end, you can have your class almost set before you even start it. And I like having everything laid out ahead of time. What I tried to do was pick up the absolutely basic thing that they needed to know, and then my class was all about relevance. How is this relevant to their everyday life? And so it was challenging to come up with a way to get my style into the online class, but I feel like by doing my voice threads, by doing my problem-solving videos, things that I would do in class did come across. For my presentation on the 26th, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically show everybody how I set the class up, what the shell of my class looked like, and how it didn't take that much time. And then I'm going to show people what I did like about the class and what worked for me. And then I'm also going to tell them what I didn't like about the class, what I feel like could be improved on. I think if you're a creative person and you're willing to take on a challenge, it's doable. Let go of the idea that their online class has to be identical to their face-to-face class, because it doesn't. They're two different things, and you can make your online class just as good as your face-to-face class. Midway through the class, I gave a survey that I just wrote and asked for feedback. I also put a Twitter button on my account and on my Blackboard, and they could log in and follow me on Twitter, so I would also announce on Twitter our exam as this and such time. This time when I worked with this online class, I felt like I was more engaged with those students, my online students, than I was in my live class, because I forced them to engage with me more in the way that the assignments were done. So I kind of enjoyed the students' engagement and their feedback a little bit more in the online class than the face-to-face class this time. So through the discussions, through the survey, through Twitter, and through Remind, I feel like we got a significant amount of engagement going on in the class.